Hi everyone, welcome to ACADS. So this course is about one of the main component of our mains accelerator combo, that is the final sprint mains. So one of the main problem in mains is about covering the whole syllabus and that too in adequate depth. Generally क्या होता है, there are easy subjects जिस पर कैंडिडेट ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, then there are certain topics like disaster management, security, जिसको लोग कई बार मिस कर देते हैं. And another problem is time management. So between prelims and mains you are going to get around 90 days. In that 90 days you have to prepare for optional as well as mains. So in that case it is very important that you keep a track record of each and every minute of your preparation and how it is mapping to the syllabus of UPSC mains. So in order to solve that problem we are providing you the final sprint mains, which will help you plan for mains in most optimum manner. So we will go through it in detail and see how it is going to help you. First of all, we will start with the dashboard. Dashboard is something which will give you an overall idea how you are performing in MAC, like total hours studied and the total lectures uploaded. So first we will start with MAC overview. As you all must be knowing, ACADS MAC course is divided into 4 quads. Now, this MAC overview is going to give you very broad idea about the courses that we are going to cover in MAC. So, starting with the quad 1, it is about structuring, as you must have read here, the LEGO method and atomic structure of an answer to give you a head start. As this is the most crucial thing, we always start with the structuring of the answers. So, in each course, what you can do is, let me take you to another. Suppose we are talking about the LEGO method. I can know more about LEGO method in lecture details. Here I'll search LEGO method. And these are the lecture specific details. So in LEGO method, we are going to broadly cover 3 lectures: structuring basics, LEGO and LEGO 15 markers. And then here you can mark your confidence level, like what is the confidence level that you are having. This is going to be the publishing date, like when ACADS is going to publish any lecture. So LEGO method, it will be published on 12th October, just 2 days after prelims, so that you can start with structuring part. Second is about the duration, the amount of time that the least you should be spending on that particular lecture. So this duration has been prepared keeping in mind a person who is aspiring for rank improvement. But if you are a fresher or someone who is going to write mains for the first time, please multiply it by a factor of 1.2 or 1.3. And this is progress that you can slide according to your level of prep. So suppose you have completed half an hour, you can mark it at 50%. And when you are done with the 100%, you can mark it done. And that's it. My plan is something you can plan as per your timetable. So suppose we are going to upload it on 12 October, but you are busy. So you can plan it on some other day. So we'll covering this in detail in next dashboard of the final sprint. So let's move on to the second dashboard. This is about the upload schedule. So as you might be knowing, prelims is on October 10. So we'll start the mains accelerator combo program from October 15. And you will be readily available with all these 5 courses. Then on October 11, there will be way forward suggestions and so on. You can have a month view, you can have a week view, or you can have a day view also. And then this is the most important part. Please focus here. This is something that you can plan your schedule in very minute detail. How minute? That we are going to show you here. So suppose this, you can open any day. This is October 2, so there will be no uploading. Suppose this is October 14 or this is October 15. You need to attempt a test diagnostic. You can shift to any time. Suppose you are waking up at 6, you can start it from 7:35. And then you can start with IR after some time. So all these IRs are different. If you look at it, this IR is about data, this IR is about diagram, and they are going to be more IR. So this is about the lecture of IR. This is about PYQs of IR, and this is about mnemonics of IR. Here you can plan everything in detail as per your convenience and your need. We'll again go back to month view, and suppose if you're finding it difficult to complete this test on 15, you can just shift it to October 16. It's very easy. Or if you want, you can shift a test early also. So everything can be done as per your schedule. This is something that you will be modifying or customizing as per your needs. And this is lecture details. So as you have gone through here, this is going to be Quad 2 static is about compact GS1, and this is society. Let's see here what all comes under society. In society, the study hours that you need to devote is 9 hours. The time that you have already accomplished is 7 hours 39 minutes. You can change it as per your convenience. Quad is Quad 2 static. Published date is 10th of October. My plan is when I will finish it, it's on 8th September. This is MMDD So that means you are delayed. But if you are marking any day after today, suppose 28th, then delayed, it will be automatically unhighlighted. And progress, you can change it accordingly, and this is confidence level. Another feature is like how it promotes nudge mentorship. So suppose Gaurav is one of our users with which we have shared this talk, and this is here we want to say something to Gaurav. Hey Gaurav, hey, you are not on track. Please do it soon. So our mentor can directly communicate with Gaurav just by the click of button. Similarly, Gaurav can also communicate with us by tagging us at ACADScare. Please look into it, and then we will reply him. Sure. Another way you can use it to make your own notes. In case of society, you can start any thread. Suppose you are talking about globalization. Globalization is, I think, chapter number 3 in society. Mnemonics. Heights. And then in H it's she, in economy it's A, E, I, O, U, etc. So this is so you can use this for making notes, for communicating with mentors of ACADS, and ACADS mentors can have a look at your progress and then communicate with you. This is delayed. We have made a separate page for this because this is a very important point. You need to know the topics in which you are lagging behind. So you are lagging behind in 6 topics. Test series status, why this is important? Because we are going to provide you 3-tier test series starting with diagnostics, mini CSE, and then ultimately final CSE. And this is the time duration that you should spend on that test. So all these diagnostics are going to be 1 or 2 tests only, so you can complete it in 18 minutes. These are the full length tests. You should be devoting 3 hours. And once you are done with any topic, please mark it 100. It will help our mentors keeping a track of your progress. And this is another done that you can do it. So I am doing all this because this is really fun. If you try it, you will like it too. And ultimately, progress tracker. Here we have listed all the courses that we are providing under MAC program, and you can see the duration, that is the total amount of recommended duration that you should be spending on that course compared to आपने कितना पढ़ा है, study hours. So using this you can easily see कि आप suppose you are lagging behind on PYQs, then you need to spend more time on PYQs. So this is all about our final sprint mains planner. In brief, this can be used for 3 things. Number 1, keeping an account of upload schedule. Number 2, you can plan your schedule in much more accurate and minute manner if you are using this. And number 3, and most important, it will help us with nudge mentorship, and you can be in touch with your mentor anytime and every time.